English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 area of rectangle and a square. Number 4 the height of a square house is 55 meter and its area is 3025 square meter. Then how many meter are length of the house? Here we see the answer in the math told height of a square house. A square house means its length and height are same. Okay. Then a square, if length 55 then height 55 in this math. Length and height equal to of a square house. We know area of length into height. In calculation 55 meter length and 55 meter height, then verification 55 into 55 equal to 3025 square meter already given this math. So in this type math, in a square length and height is the same. Thank you.